Hi, I am your new friend, Dr. Nova, from Nova IVF Fertility, and today, I am going to show you a very interesting clinical case of ICSI with PGT technique treated at Nova IVF. Advanced services like pre-implantation genetic testing have become an important aspect in IVF, as aspiring parents wish to prevent passing on any genetic disorders to their progeny. Such techniques help us to successfully elevate the clinical outcomes across our Nova centers. At Nova IVF, from January 2022 to June 2024, we have successfully performed 279 cycles, with a cumulative success rate of 62.01%, thus helping many couples to have a healthy child. Here is an extract from one of our centers that successfully performed PGT procedure to deliver a healthy baby in a very complicated case with diminished ovarian reserve and chromosomal abnormality. Obstetric history. After 11 years of marriage, Mr. M, age 40 years, and Mrs. M, age 36 years, welcomed their first baby girl, who was born with Down syndrome, a disorder caused by an extra 21st chromosome that impairs intellectual capacity and causes developmental delay. They were very apprehensive to plan a second pregnancy, with the fear of having another child with a chromosomal issue, so they were exceedingly cautious. Over the course of these years, they underwent several ovulation induction cycles at various other clinics and hospitals. Additionally, they had a diagnostic hysterolaparoscopy, followed by 2 IUI cycles. However, all of these cycles were unsuccessful. Moreover, the female patient was diagnosed with diabetes 1 year before visiting Nova IVF, and was given oral hypoglycemic drugs, which lowers sugar levels in the blood. They then visited Nova IVF Center to consult our fertility specialist, who recommended them to undergo a set of fertility tests. Diagnosis. On diagnosing the female partner, it was found that she had a diminished ovarian reserve. Her AMH level was 1, and AFC on the scan was 6 to 7. The couple was suggested to undergo a diagnostic procedure called karyotyping, a test to examine chromosomes to identify genetic problems. The test was found to be normal for both partners. Counseling. The couple was then advised to undergo ICSI with self-gametes and PGT to select genetically normal embryos. Management with PGT and ICSI at Nova IVF. Controlled ovarian stimulation was done to the female partner. 6 eggs were retrieved and ICSI was performed. 2-day 5 embryos were formed, which were biopsied and frozen. Biopsied samples were sent for PGTA testing. Out of 2 embryos formed, 1 was euploid, that is, genetically normal. And the second embryo was a complex aneuploid embryo, that is, having an abnormal number of chromosomes. In the subsequent cycle, endometrial preparation was done for the female partner, and the single euploid embryo was transferred in SET cycle. Finally, the patient conceived, and the couple gave birth to a healthy and normal baby. Conclusion. It has been a widely accepted fact that IVF increases a person's chances of becoming pregnant, especially in middle-aged women. However, undergoing a PGT cycle offers couples several key benefits like PGT helps improve the chances of a healthy pregnancy. It lowers the risk of passing on hereditary genetic conditions to the child. Transferring only the healthy embryos reduces the risk of miscarriages. Transferring chromosomally normal embryos can reduce anxiety and uncertainty during the pregnancy journey. PGT allows couples to make informed decisions about family planning, based on genetic health conditions, promoting long-term family well-being. These benefits underscore why many couples choose to undergo PGT, thus enhancing their chances of a successful and healthy pregnancy.